we left Hollywood Studios because of the impending rain, and we decided against Epcot because of the rain. So we made a quick last-minute reservation at Olivia's, and we have never ever been on Old Key West property, so this is kind of exciting. And so we're heading into Old Key West, and we've never been here at all. We don't even know what it looks like. Oh, there's a golf course right here. There's people playing golf right on that hole. And it's funny that we've never been here because we love Key West so much and we go every year.
Ooh, are you gonna vlog our Key West trip?
I think so. It's a vacation. I like to vlog on vacation. Whoa, and we're gonna get hit by a bus. Whoa!
Let's go on board.
Ah, he missed us. Look at these, the buildings are really pretty. It does look kind of like Key West.
You want our house here.
You want our house to be here? This is where you want to live?
Yes.
Oh.
We want it at Disney World.
You want our house to be at Disney World, so all of our stuff is right here and we could still be in Disney World?
Yes.
Me too. We're at the time in our vacation where Jackson's starting to get a little homesick because he misses his toys and his trains specifically. So he keeps saying that he wants to live here so that all his toys and trains are here at Disney World, so we don't have to leave Disney World to go play with our toys, which is like a really big thought for like a not even 3-year-old, I feel like. So we're looking for Olivia's. It smells really nice here. It definitely has like a smell piped in. It's like coconut.
Olivia's Cafe.
Oh, here we are. Here we are at Olivia's Cafe.
Time for some day drinking in Key West.
You want to go really fast? Go ahead. He's so tired, he could barely walk.
Whoa,
Oh, look at that sandcastle pool here. It's a cool resort here. Oh, and I've heard that, is this the resort? I think this is the resort, and it's the only resort on Disney property that has a sauna.
Oh, let's go.
So I guess they made up their own town called Conch Flats. It's so clever. Olivia's. Oh, here's where they have all the original DVC members' pictures on the wall. They have some premium cocktails here. So here's Olivia's. It's nice in here. It's not very busy either. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock, so it's not really prime time, but it's still nice and not busy here. We just ordered a couple of cocktails. Jackson is drawing, and he's got his little Peppa Pig guys. And our little Baloo we got. How cute is that? And here's the menu. We're gonna get conch fritters and a house salad and the southernmost buttermilk chicken. The menu is small, but it looks really good. So here's our food that we got at Olivia's. I got the conch fritters. They don't look like, they're very small, but they don't look bad. And then I got the house salad, which has goat cheese and strawberries and walnuts, which look, candied walnuts, which looks really good. I'm excited about that. And Justin got the fried chicken, which is boneless, which is interesting. Mashed potatoes.
Everything okay?
Great, thank you.
We got it because we're fans of Tim Tracker, and he said this is the best fried chicken he's ever had. So.
That's right. That everything I know about Olivia's is what I learned from Tim Tracker. And then it came with the southern style gravy, which is pretty nice. And Jackson just got a it's on the kids menu, it's just a vanilla sundae, so it's a deconstructed, and they can kind of do it themselves, which is nice. He already ate as much as he's gonna eat for lunch at Hollywood Studios, so we're gonna dig in. We just about finished our meal and we couldn't really tell from this angle or from Justin's angle if he was sleeping or not. He's not, but it looks like he fell asleep on the table. No, don't go to sleep. You have to stay awake. Oh, no, don't go to sleep. Oh.
Back to sleep.
No! Are you snoring?
Yes.
Okay, what did we think of Olivia's?
That was good. And really reasonably priced.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know.
Yeah. It was, I don't know, 19 bucks for my chicken and $8 for salad. Beers were $7. So I feel like that's a lot less expensive than anywhere else we've been at Disney World.
Yeah, and it was still a nice like sit-down restaurant. Our server was great. All the staff there was very nice, and the comforters were the only thing that I wasn't super crazy about. They were just very like bready. It was like a lot of
We're also spoiled.
we are spoiled as far as comforters because we vacation in Key West, and it's like the place for comforters, and we go to restaurants where they have very good comforters that have a lot of like conch in them, whereas this was mostly like hush puppy, like
not go all the way
batter.
covered.
What's that?
It's not go all the way covered.
It's not going all the way covered.
Don't go down shorts.
That's why them shorts. Oh, the Treehouse Villas. Wow, I don't know if we've ever driven down the street before that I can remember.
I'm sure we're going the wrong way.
We're probably going the wrong way. Anyway, Olivia's, we really liked it. It was a nice break. It still hasn't started raining, so we probably could have gone to Epcot, but we're really tired and Jackson's tired, so it actually worked out better this way. Tonight we're going to have dinner in about 3.5 hours at Disney Springs at the Rainforest Cafe. It's a surprise for Jackson, so we didn't want to tell him yet. And then tomorrow we're going to the Magic Kingdom in the morning, and we have some special things planned in the morning, and then my parents are coming to meet us for the next 2 nights, and we're moving hotels. We're going over to
Magic Kingdom.
This kid is learning his Disney ropes. What are you gonna see at the Magic Kingdom?
Don't trains at Magic Kingdom.
At Magic Kingdom.
Don't trains at Magic Kingdom.
We've been trying to tell him the difference between the different parks and the names of the parks and what's there, and he's really catching on. And he before called the Magic Kingdom Disney World, and like the rest of it was just something else, but now he understands that Magic Kingdom is where all the trains are, and he's really excited for that. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow morning, and then my parents are coming to visit, and we're all moving over. Jackson has a lot to say. We're all moving over to the cabins at Fort Wilderness for 2 nights. Maybe the broken trains are fixed?
Yes.
Maybe. We gotta see tomorrow. But anyway, we're gonna go, maybe we'll show you the resort over at French Quarter. We have to go pick up a package that is at the front desk. And then we're just gonna take it easy for the rest of the afternoon and then head over to Disney Springs. And somewhere in between I have to pack up all our stuff because we're leaving early in the morning to go to Magic Kingdom, and then it's checkout time. So that's where I'm gonna leave you, except we're passing the special fire station. Jackson, look over there. Look over here. Do you know what that is? It's a fire station. It looks so cool. So we're walking into the front entrance of our hotel, Port Orleans French Quarter. It's beautiful here. We've never been to New Orleans, but we want to go. Hey! You're on our video! Hello!
Well, good afternoon, folks.
Good afternoon. Good, how are you? Say hi.
How you doing, man?
you doing there, bud? You want to make a wish in the fountain?
Do you want to make a wish in the fountain?
Make a wish?
You want to make a wish in the fountain like you did earlier? There.
He's gonna give you a coin to put in the fountain. Thank you so much. You gotta think of a wish in your head and then throw your coin in. Okay.
Good job.
Good job. Did you think of a wish? Okay. And here's the front desk lobby area. Everybody's so nice here. Hello. Jackson. Can you see what this says here? What do you think that says up there? What do you think that says up there? It says a word.
1, 2, 3, 1.
1, 2, 3, 1. Well, it's not numbers. It's actually letters. But you might not recognize the letters because it's a funny J. It says your name. I'll just tell you. It says Jackson. It says Jackson Square. That's the name of this store. Hello. It's much later. Unfortunately, my battery died when we were looking in the lobby of French Quarter, so I'm sorry that I couldn't film anymore. We were excited that it said Jackson Square, and then I spent too much time filming that, and then the battery ran out. We are headed to Disney Springs, and it is officially raining. We came back to the hotel room, and we had a nice rest and a little nap, and it was pouring rain when we were resting, thundering and lightning and the whole bit. But we're going to have a great dinner at a very fun place that Jackson will really enjoy. And then he's already decided that he's going to fall asleep in his stroller. He asked to bring Hop. You're gonna play what game? Don't know what that is. Oh, okay, well if we can find it, we'll do it. And he already asked to bring Hop and his blanket. Now it just started to really pour, so it should be interesting. I may not film unless we are indoors, but that's the update, and obviously been another awesome day. We made it, we're in the rainforest, and he loves it so much. There's so much to look at. He's so excited that it's raining in the restaurant. And there's the fish tank. And there's just so much to see in here. Elephants. It looks like the night sky up there. He's trying to get the rain.
You got it.
You got some rain?
How do you do that?
That's awesome. This is a good seat too. We got a really good booth here. It is crazy in here, and it's pouring outside. Just give you a quick look around, and then I'm gonna look at the menu. Oh, and there's a cool fish tank right here. There's so much to look at. We're gonna walk around after we eat. Wow! Look at the elephants are shaking their heads. It's the rainforest. Yeah. Is that a crazy storm?
And it started raining.
It started raining.
A
huge rain. Okay, I'm carrying Jackson, so this might not be the most stable video, but we took a walk. We're gonna take a walk around and look at all the animals while we're waiting for our food. I didn't show you the menu. It's nothing to really write home about. It doesn't look bad. It's kind of a mix between a Outback Steakhouse and a Red Lobster sort of menu. But that's not why we come here. You don't come here for the food quality. Look at this fish tank. Look at that monkey up there. The monkey say. What's the monkey say? Look at all these fish. Do you see this fish tank, Jackson? It goes all the way up to the ceiling, and the fish can swim through the top over here, swim through, and then they can go to this side. Is that cool? It's like a tunnel, exactly. It's like a water tunnel. Pretty cool, huh?
There's some more water.
Oh my gosh, there's some more water. Whoa, look at this fish with his nose. Oh my gosh, that was the craziest fish I've ever seen. Did you see? Oh, hello.
Hello, Jackson.
Hello, Jackson. Whoa. That one came real close to us. One over here is not looking so good. He looks a little sick. There's Dory over there. 2 Dories. Our food came. We got the crab dip and I forgot to film. But there is the remains. It was okay. It was really watery, not very crabby, but it was fine. I got the Rainforest Natural Burger, which is just a turkey, or not a turkey burger, a veggie burger. No, it's yours to eat. You gotta eat them. And it's guacamole based, so it looks really good. And there's also guacamole on it. Oh, it's another rainstorm. Jackson got the Tyrannosaurus Rex chicken nuggets, which he's been eating a lot of chicken nuggets, but what are you gonna do? And corn and some oranges. And Justin, why don't you tell them what you got, because they probably can't hear me.
We got steak and shrimp, flat iron, coconut shrimp, and shrimp scampi with mashed potatoes.
Okay. Sorry, there was a thunderstorm while I was explaining what we got, but this is the weirdest burger I've ever gotten, but it literally is avocado based. So it's a giant avocado sandwich with fresh guacamole on top, and then the actual patty is like somehow like avocado based. It is really good. And I'm sorry, Justin got the steak and shrimp. That's like the shrimp scampi and coconut shrimp and the steak. What do you think of it so far?
It's alright. We're in Rainforest. No.
It's not terrible. The food is pretty good.
Yours looks better than mine.
Mine is good. Well, that was a really fun time at the Rainforest Cafe, and Jackson loved it. He's just so tired right now. He is done. He's just at his limit, and he wants to go to sleep. So we pulled the stroller in with us and folded it up and brought it up to the table with us so it didn't get soaking hot outside, which was a great idea. And then this is him inside the rain cover. So he's all tucked in and ready to go. He asked to have the rain cover on and stuff, and he wanted to just get in his stroller because he is exhausted. So I don't think we're gonna walk around unless he falls right to sleep and it stops raining. So I'll probably just leave it here. But it's been an awesome day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Actually, here's where I'm gonna end the vlog. Our sleeping angel. He had such a fun day. Oh, his hand is moving. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.